Right, Chris here from Frontech Guys. Thanks for joining, and let's just jump straight into our self-destroying message app. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove my whole setup. So right now I've got my index.php. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that and come over here, refresh, and you can see that I've got nothing. Just to show you my setup at the moment is I've got XAMPP running for the MySQL database, so I can just go ahead to PHP MyAdmin and I can set up databases like a visual representation of MySQL, and I'm also running a PHP localhost. So if I pull up terminal, just to show you, I'm going to clear this and do ll. So I'm just within desktop development message app, and I've got an index.php file. So if I go to Atom, I'm just in message app, and I've got an index.php. Now, because I've just killed my server, if I refresh localhost :3200, I get nothing because I've just killed it in terminal. But if I do php-s localhost : and this could be whatever, the port number can be whatever I wanted. So if I said 1717, it's now listening on port 1717 within this folder. Sorry. If I come over here and go to 1717, I have my index.php page. And just to show you that that's working, if I say hello world, save, come back to 1717, and we get hello world. So I've just got a very, very simple so let's just jump straight in. We want a HTML page, and let's call it self-destroying message app. And we're going to want, so let's stick a H1 in here. Self-destroying app. Save that, come over here and refresh, and we don't want the default styling. Let's just add a little bit to it. So if you come over to Bootstrap, go all the way up and click on Getting Started. So I'm on getbootstrap.com. Click on Getting Started and just copy over the style sheet. Back to Atom, paste that up there, save, come back, refresh, and just a little bit cleaner. I prefer it, it's easier on the eyes. So we've got a self-destroying app. Within Atom, let's add a div and call this class container, and let's just move this up. Container, and so now we've got a little bit of space on either side. It's better. Okay, we want a form. Let's go to the CSS tab and let's just get a form. So I'm going to search forms. Basic example, we want a text area. So scroll, text area. Let's grab that. Down here, we need a form. Action equals empty. Method equals post. Close our form off. Let's paste our text area. We're going to want a title, text area, and submit button. We won't worry about email to start off with. So let's just go, what is it, email? Oh, we don't need it. Let's just go with this. I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible, so we'll just put paragraph tags around this. So it gives it a little bit of spacing. I know it's not the cleanest, but this is where you would put your labels or your wrap it in divs or whatever. So I'm just trying to do this for speed. Let's have a button for submit. Let's go here. Oh, messed that one up. There we go. And submit our button. So if we save this, come back over, refresh our page, we've got a text input, message, and a submit. So let's just quickly call this name is title, placeholder. Let's change this over to title. Text area name is message. Message. And let's save that. Come back over. Let's add a placeholder. Please enter a message. Okay, very simple form. We've got H1, a text input, a message area, and a submit button. Let's change this to submit. And that's pretty much all we need to get started. Now I know this looks slightly different to the one that I showed you before. That's all down to Bootstrap. If you wanted to go and grab the email, quick search, we've got the symbols either side, but I'm sure it's a little bit further down here. Okay, now I'm not going to be able to find it. Basically, whatever you want will be, oh, there you go. However you want to start it, it'll be within Bootstrap. So let's leave that one there, because this is basically just a HTML setup. If I click submit, we should just keep on refreshing. Obviously nothing's happening because we've not set up the database or anything. I'm going to leave this section here, and then we'll move on to setting up the database, and then we'll connect both the front end with the database. So join me again in the next video, and we'll look at doing the database. Thanks very much for watching.